Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have the basics, power and a cable, so start now by checking those lights and the Ethernet connection. If LEDs look wrong, power cycle the modem and router for 30 seconds. This clears many transient faults. On your PC, open network settings to identify the active adapter and whether it shows limited or no connectivity, because knowing the adapter name lets you target the next steps precisely. Once done, move to Adapter Diagnostics and IP Checks. Now diagnose the adapter and IP configuration. You should run command prompt as admin and execute ipconfig/release followed by ipconfig/renew to grab a fresh IP. This resolves lease issues. Next, use the built-in troubleshooter or disable and enable the network adapter to reinitialize drivers. If pages still fail to load, change DNS temporarily to 8. 8 to rule out resolver problems. Because DNS failures look like finish by updating or reinstalling the network driver from Device Manager. Driver corruption or outdated firmware is a common culprit. Make sure to reboot after driver changes and then test with another device or a mobile hotspot to determine whether the issue is the PC or the network. If problems persist, document exact error messages and router LED patterns before contacting support, because that information speeds diagnosis. One troubleshooting tip: try a different Ethernet cable and port to rule out physical faults first.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.